Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Epic Games Launcher error code LS-0013. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select Task Manager. If you see any programs running related to Epic Games, you just need to right click on it and select End Task It. And after doing this, close it off here. Now you just need to click on this arrow icon and make sure Epic Game is not running in the background. And after that, right click on the start icon and select run. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Now in here, you just need to search for Epic Games Launcher. Double click on it. Now in here, you just need to double click on the saved. And now you just need to right click on the web cache and select delete it guys. After deleting it, close it off here. Now you just need to right click on the Epic Games and select run as administrator and select yes. Now try to play the game. Hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.